Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by writing the midpoint formula and plugging in what you know. Write A as x1, y1, and m as xm, im. Once done, isolate the unknowns by multiplying both midpoint components by 2. Make sure to subtract the known endpoint coordinates from those doubled midpoint values. This gives you x2 equals 2 asterisk xm x1 and y2 equals 2 asterisk im y1. Say the relations out loud as you write them to avoid sign slips, and keep track of positives versus negatives. Now compute each coordinate step by step. First double xm and im so you see 2 asterisk xm and 2 asterisk im clearly on the page. Next, subtract x1 from 2 asterisk xm to get x2, and subtract y1 from 2 asterisk im to get y2. If you have fractions, find a common denominator before subtracting. If you have decimals, align decimal points. As you proceed, label intermediate results so you can backtrack if an arithmetic mistake appears. This keeps the logic transparent. Finish by writing the computed endpoint B as x2, y2, and then verify. Average x1 and x2, average y1 and y2, and confirm you get xm and im. Once done, this confirmatory step proves your result. If the midpoint doesn't match, recheck sign errors first, then denominators or decimal alignment. Those are the usual culprits. If you still disagree, compute with exact fractions instead of rounded decimals and repeat the check. This usually exposes the hidden arithmetic mistake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.